Hi, this is Rubel from Tech Review. Today I am going to show you how to fix Windows Update Error 0x80070490 on Windows 11 or 10. To fix this error, right-click on the Start menu, select System. On the left side, click on Accounts. On the right side, click on Your Info. Click on Sign in with a local account instead. Click on Next. Enter your current PIN or password. Under the username field, type the username. If you want to make it password protected, enter the password, and retype the password. In my case, I don't want to make it password protected, so that I am leaving it blank. Click on Next, click on Sign Out and Finish. Now that you are signed in using your new user account, you should not encounter any errors when updating Windows. If the error persists even after logging in with a new user account, delete the old user profiles through the registry. Click on the Start menu, type Regedit. After appearing the registry editor, click on it. Click on Yes. After opening the registry editor, copy and paste this address into the address bar. This address is available under the description. Press Enter. Find a folder similar to S1521. Right-click on it, click on Delete, click on Yes. Once completed, close the registry and restart Windows. The next time you log in, try updating your operating system again. If it did not resolve the problem, right-click on the Start menu, click on Settings. On the left side, click on System. On the right side, scroll down, and select Troubleshoot. Other troubleshooters. Under the Windows Update, click on Run. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the remaining process. Once the troubleshooting is complete, restart your computer. In many cases, you can fix this problem by simply restarting Windows Update Services. To do this, click on the Start menu, type Service. After appearing the service, click on it. Now find a service which name is Windows Update. If it is running, right-click on it, click on Restart. If it is stopped, double-click on it, click on this drop-down menu, select Automatic. Click on Start, click on Apply and OK. This time you can see the update. Hope your problem is solved. If none of the above work, you can try running a batch file as a last resort. Right-click on your desktop. Click on New. Click on Text Documents. Double-click on the newly created text documents. After opening the text document, copy and paste this code into the text document. This code is available under the description. Now click on File, click on Save As. Now find the location where you want to save it. In my case, I am going to save it on my desktop. Type a name for this file with .bat extension. Under the Save As type, select All Files. Click on Save. Now close this text document. Now right-click on the newly created .bat file, click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Until finishing this processes. It will take some times. After finishing this processes, restart the computer. After restarting the computer, hope your problem is solved. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe to my channel. Also give a like please. Take care.